Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free SEO training, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 actionable ways that you can drastically improve the return on investment of your search engine optimization strategy. So I have this Google Docs here that me and the affiliate marketing samurai created together, and I'm just going to go over it with you. On the left-hand side, you should see the table of contents, basically the outline. If you click on any one of these headlines, it'll take you directly to that section. But as we go through this, I'm going to be sharing with you different resources to go along with it, such as my video on how to do keyword research and find low competition, long tail keywords with high traffic easily. And I'm also going to be sharing with you keyword explorers as well as different swipe files for the content section and the page speed insights for you to be able to monitor and measure the performance of your website so you're able to boost the page speed. And I actually even created a video about that called How to Optimize and Boost Website Load Times with Page Speed Insights and Increase Search Engine Rankings. So I'll leave all of this in the description, such as Google Analytics and my other video on boosting your SEO with RAD formula, and drop my link, guest post on authority sites and build backlinks. The RAD formula stands for relevance, authority, and due diligence. So I'm going to share this with you as well as my SEO playlist. But the reason why I have all this up is in support of this document here. So these are all the references, such as SEMrush, which is a keyword tracker. So let's go ahead and get started at the very top. Number 1, master the keywords. So you can unravel the secrets of your audience's searches through in-depth keyword research. This unlocks the key to optimizing your content and attracting high traffic, low competition keywords, giving you a competitive edge. So you can decode your audience, uncover what your target audience desperately seeks by conducting an in-depth keyword research. You want to target the right keywords, identify high volume keywords with low competition to gain an edge over your rivals. Utilize keyword research tools. Leverage powerful technology to discover the perfect keywords for your website. So I would like to share with you Moz. I even created a video on how to use Mozbar to detect the domain authority as well as the other SEO ranking factors of other websites so that you're able to see other similar websites in your niche and how they're ranking. You can monitor and measure their performance. So I have a video about that already. And then that video that I mentioned on how to do keyword research and find low competition, long tail keywords with high traffic easily. So in this video, I actually talk about Mozbar, keyword research, as well as Uber Suggest. So I'll be sure to leave that as well as this one here. So they got ranking tracking. You can do better research in less time, accurately track your keyword rankings, and keep a close eye on your competitors. Site crawl, spot technical gaps. Technical SEO doesn't need to be daunting. Our crawler digs through your site to find technical errors and provides instant solutions. And keyword research, you can drive quality traffic, identify new opportunities, and rank higher for the keywords that guarantee more conversions. So this is a keyword research tool, and I actually have a training that accompanies this. So be sure to check that out, as well as SEMrush. You can track keywords and rank like a pro. So that's number 1, master keywords. Number 2 is content is king, quality is queen. So you want to craft high quality content that resonates with your audience, feeding their hunger for information and engagement. Remember, valuable and informative content is the cornerstone of SEO success. Content is king. Remember, content reigns supreme in the SEO kingdom. Inform and engage. Create content that is valuable, informative, and engaging for your audience. And then go beyond the basics, offer unique insights and valuable information to stand out from the crowd. So I would like to share with you a website called swipefile.com. It's a great way you can go to get creative influence from people that's already created stuff in your niche, whether it be product descriptions, interesting content, copywriting, books, Instagram. All you got to do is just click on any one of these and then just go through these. They have different categories for you to choose from. This is a helpful place for marketers and people who are looking for content already. You can come here to swipe what's already worked. This attention grabbing, a lot of this stuff is engaging and has worked in the past. So just pick your category and your niche and what you're going for. Where you want funny and weird content, advertorials, outdoor advertising, social media, social proof, testimonials, product descriptions, videos. So a lot of this stuff, it just depends on who you're talking to, and you can just really just go through this and see what they've used already. So this is just references in a place where you can creatively be influenced and use stuff and reverse engineer stuff that's already worked in your niche. And you can use AI tools such as Bard to just rewrite it and reword it based off of your niche. And then you can always use that to create high quality content if you're a beginner. Also, if you're an intermediate, you can use it to refine your process. Number 3, user experience is the unseen weapon. Search engines value user-centric experiences. Ensure that your website navigation is intuitive, Loading times are lightning fast and mobile accessibility is flawless. So I actually created a video recently on how to make your website mobile friendly using a smart theme from Optimized Press. So I'll be sure to leave that in the description. This invisible weapon will boost rankings and user satisfaction. So again, you can use websites such as PageSpeed Insights to monitor and measure the performance of your website. You just put your website here and it'll actually give you a score. And in this video right here, how to optimize and boost your website load time, I even go through the entire dashboard when it comes to your actual hosting platform, as well as PageSpeed Insights, where they give you a performance indicator on a scale from 1 to 100, and they even separate it from mobile and desktop. So they give you scores on both of those. So don't forget the mobile revolution. Ensure your website is optimized for all devices. Number 4, build bridges, the power of backlinks. Now I have a lot of different videos on backlinks, almost more than I can count. So be sure to refer to my SEO playlist, and I'll try to link a lot of that stuff in the description as well, because I cover a wide range of different ways to create and build backlinks for your website. High quality backlinks are the golden threads weaving authority and trust into your website. So you want to create shareable content that attracts natural links, leverage guest blogging, and explore influencer outreach to build a robust backlink profile. So I do recommend the RAD formula, because you can use Drop My Link, which is a tool to actually find places where you can do guest posting on authority sites so that you can build backlinks. So watch this video, because I share a lot of different resources, as well as a lengthy description, as you can see, and a message template to contact the site owners for the place that you're trying to do guest blogging on. So be sure to check out that video. You want to become a linking magnet. Create content so valuable and shareable that others will naturally want to link to it. So that means when people are blogging, they're using your content as reference, and you're able to get that internal link from their website, especially if they have high domain authority. Guest blogging, become a guest blogging powerhouse. Utilize guest blogging to reach a wider audience and acquire valuable backlinks. Influencer outreach. Connect with influential figures in your industry to build backlinks and boost your authority. So that's also good for marketing purposes as well. You can borrow their aura, you can share the stage with them, so to speak, and also borrow their influence, and it's really helpful for your marketing as well. So it's sort of two birds with one stone, because you're taking care of SEO as well as the social proof factor, because you're on the same stage with someone who's authoritative and you are who you associate with. Number 5, analyze and adapt, perpetual improvement. Embrace the power of data. Track your website traffic, search engine rankings, and backlink profile through analytics tools. This continuous analysis is your guide to identifying areas for improvement and adapting your SEO strategy for lasting success. If you don't measure, you're not able to grow. So I recommend Google Analytics. They have an entire free course here on Skillshop where you're able to go through the entire process. And this is up to date with the newest Google Analytics 4. Go through this course right here. I'll have it in the description. There's a lot of different trainings that I've also personally created on Google Analytics, so I'll try to leave those in the description as well. So this helps you to collect and process data as well as measure your performance. And you can also use websites such as SEMrush and Moz to measure your website's performance on the SEO side of it. Uncover insights, monitor and analyze your SEO results with powerful analytics tools. Continuous improvement, track your website traffic, search engine rankings, and backlink profile to identify areas for improvement. And I have a training on this one as well. So for this subject specifically, I actually show you how to track your website traffic and search engine rankings. Adapt and conquer. Refine your SEO strategy based on your analysis, ensuring you stay ahead of the curve. So you just want to continuously measure and monitor your performance as you're going along. And these are 5 actionable ways for you to drastically improve the return on investment for your SEO strategy. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. Check out my website, jonathancoates.com. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales. And be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this training, as well as all the different references and resources in my personal training videos to accompany the Google Docs. And you don't have to worry about putting your email in it. You'll see it in the description. If you click on it, you'll see what it is that you see here. And on the left-hand side, you're able to navigate the different chapters. All right. So with that said, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. See you there.